I just stepped on a rock and it shifted like 6 inches. Feared for my life right there. That current's out there ripping now. Hell, they might be up shallow in this shoreline that we're walking on. I think it was a gar at least. I think I just had a gar come up and swallow this. Huh? God, that thing followed it up right to my feet. It scared the life out of me. So I'm like, there's gotta be fish in this hole that we're standing in. I just saw the tail end of it is the only reason. Oh, I thought I just got smacked. That's crazy. It didn't say rain till 1, but that was back in Chicago. I don't know what it is like here. That is a big ass cloud though. Something just busted over here.
Ooh. We're gonna fish the other side.
Right.
This side's the doo-doo side, man.
That's about to be a giant storm. Look at this. Look at that. In literal middle of nowhere, just at some random pond, far away from home fishing. Nice.
I haven't seen a fish bust.
Besides that one shad. I don't know, I think I'm just... I'm gonna... Where they at though? Oh my God!
What was that?
That was a bass, dude. I was swimming this thing in.
It was tiny though.
I know, but it like scared the heck out of me. Look at this. Here, let me get my light. Look at all that work for that giant. That's a giant. Freaking Illinois giant.